Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you avoid any damage to your laptop during the battery replacement process. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and disconnect it from any power sources. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You'll notice a series of screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all the screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic pry tool to detach the bottom panel from the laptop. Be cautious while doing this, as you don't want to damage any clips. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside the laptop. A can of compressed air works great for this task. Now, locate the battery. It is usually positioned towards the center or one of the corners of the laptop. You will see additional screws holding the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. As you work, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, should you need any assistance or prefer not to carry out this replacement yourself. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be careful to disconnect any cables attached to it. If you are unsure or uncomfortable with this step, you might consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, allowing you to avoid the hassle of going to a repair shop. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws that hold the battery securely. Make sure they are tightened, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the battery or the laptop. With the new battery installed, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it correctly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are securely fastened. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to check for any loose components inside. If everything looks secure, turn your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 back over and plug it into a power source. Press the power button and check if the new battery is functioning properly. If you prefer having a quote before repair or have any questions about the process, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you every step of the way. With these instructions, you should be able to replace your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 battery with ease, potentially saving time and money in the process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.